Get ready to meet the brainiacs of the animal world. These creatures are so smart they'd probably ace an IQ test. From ocean geniuses to land-based innovators, these animals have skills that leave you in awe. But don't worry, they won't be filing your taxes anytime soon. So buckle up because we're diving into the animal kingdom's brainiest minds, and trust me, you'll be shocked at who takes the top spot. Stay tuned to see number 1 because you won't want to miss it. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Number 10. The Octopus, the Houdini of the ocean. The octopus might just be the underwater visitor you never knew you needed in your life. Found in oceans around the globe, from the shallow reefs to the deep sea trenches, this 8-armed genius is a master of escape. Octopuses are known for their incredible problem-solving abilities. If you've ever seen one escape from a jar or figure out how to open a clam, you'll start believing in underwater Houdinis. Even more astonishing, octopuses have been observed using tools like coconut shells and empty seashells to build shelters and hide from predators. Talk about a true DIY expert. Number 9. The crows, the master problem solvers. Crows are like the inventors of the bird world. These feathered geniuses are found all over the world, and they've earned their place as one of the smartest creatures on the planet. In fact, crows can make tools, use them, and even play tricks on other birds. If there's a way to outwit a predator or gather food in an unconventional way, crows are on it. Surprising fact about crows, well, they can recognize human faces and even hold grudges. So if you cross a crow, you might just find yourself on their not-so-favorite list for years. Number 8. The chimpanzee, the human's close cousin. We all know that chimps are closely related to us, but did you know just how smart they were? Found in the jungles of Central West Africa, these primates can use tools, communicate with sign language, and even solve complex puzzles. They can remember faces, identify themselves in mirrors, and have a sense of humor. Imagine a chimp telling you a joke. The fact about chimps are known to use sticks to fish for termites, so they're not just smart, they're resourceful. Number 7. The dolphin, the ocean's Einstein. Dolphins are the professors of the sea. Seriously, if you ever took a class from one, you'd probably graduate with honors. These marine mammals are not only incredibly intelligent, but they're also known for their social behavior and problem-solving skills. Found in warm seas around the world, dolphins communicate with each other using a complex series of clicks, whistles, and body language. The fun fact about them is some dolphin species have been observed using sponges to protect their snouts while foraging on the ocean floor. Talk about thinking outside the fishbowl. Number 6. The African gray parrot, the talk show host of the animal kingdom. If you've ever wanted a feathered friend who could carry on a conversation, look no further than the African gray parrot, native to the rainforest of West and Central Africa. These parrots can mimic human speech with astonishing accuracy, but they're not just pretty voices. They have the cognitive abilities of a 5-year-old child, and they can solve puzzles, recognize shapes, and even understand concepts like same and different. Most surprising fact about the African gray parrots is that they can count. Seriously, they're out here doing math like they're enrolled in a bird version of MIT. Before moving ahead, like the video if you've learned anything new about the African gray parrot. Did you know that they could be smarter than your average office coworker? Number 5. The elephant, the memory king. You might have heard that elephants never forget, but that's not just a saying. Native to Africa and Asia, elephants are famous for their remarkable memory. They can recall places, people, and even specific events from decades ago. Elephants have been known to visit the grave sites of their deceased relatives and even perform mourning rituals. Fun fact, elephants have been observed using branches to swat flies and scratch themselves. It's like they're out here living their best life with nature's tools. Number 4. The orangutan, the puzzle-solving genius. Orangutans are the masterminds of the jungle, displaying intelligence that rivals even some of the smartest animals. A native to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, these clever apes are known for their ability to use tools, solve puzzles, and figure out complex challenges. With their dexterous hands, orangutans can open locks, navigate dense forests, and even use leaves as umbrellas to shield themselves from the rain, as some have even been observed crafting makeshift gloves from leaves to handle thorny branches. Their impressive intelligence and resourcefulness truly set them apart in the animal kingdom. Who needs a human's brain when you've got all this going on? One of the most fascinating facts about orangutans is their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness that few animals possess. This remarkable cognitive ability suggests an advanced level of intelligence, and comparable to that of dolphins and great apes like chimpanzees. Additionally, orangutans can communicate through a variety of vocalizations and gestures, showing emotional depth and social bonds that make them even more extraordinary. Number 3. The Bottlnose Dolphin, the underwater genius.
Not to be confused with regular dolphins, bottlenose dolphins are basically the Einsteins of the ocean. These highly intelligent marine mammals don't just communicate, they strategize. They use a complex system of clicks, whistles, and body movements to coordinate group activities, from hunting to social bonding. Bottlenose dolphins are known to work together to herd fish into tight groups, making it easier to catch their prey. Some even use a technique called strand feeding, where they drive fish onto shore and temporarily beach themselves to grab an easy meal. But their intelligence doesn't stop at teamwork. These dolphins have been observed using tools like sponges to protect their noses while foraging along the ocean floor, a behavior passed down through generations, showcasing their ability to learn and innovate. They can also recognize themselves in mirrors, demonstrating self-awareness. And some scientists believe they even have unique names for each other, using signature whistles to identify individuals. The surprising fact about bottlenose dolphins: they can swim at speeds of up to 25 mph, making them one of the fastest creatures in the water. With their playful nature, problem-solving skills, and incredible speed, it's no wonder they're considered one of the most intelligent animals in the world.
Stay tuned to see number 1. You won't want to miss the animal at the top of the list. Number 2, the raven, the ultimate problem solver. Ravens are like the Sherlock Holmes of the bird world. Found in forests, mountains, and deserts across the globe, ravens have been observed using tools, playing games, and even planning for the future. These highly intelligent birds are capable of understanding cause and effect, and they can even plan ahead for things like food storage, making them one of the smartest species in the animal kingdom. Their problem-solving abilities are truly remarkable, and they can adapt to different environments with ease. Coming up to the fun fact: ravens have been known to play games with other animals, like sliding down snow-covered hills just for fun. It's like they're living their best life, one game at a time, showing off their playful side. Leave a comment down below and tell us, would you trust a raven to keep your secrets? Number 1, the Bonabo, the super genius of the animal kingdom. And finally, drumroll please, we have arrived at number 1, the number 1 smartest animal in the world in the animal kingdom, the Bonabo. These close relatives of the chimpanzee have a reputation for being not only incredibly intelligent but also incredibly social. Found in the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, bonobos are known for their problem-solving skills, emotional intelligence, and advanced communication. They use gestures, facial expressions, and even vocalizations to express themselves, sometimes in ways that seem eerily human. Here comes the surprising fact: bonobos are known to solve conflicts with peaceful social interactions, including shared food, hugging, and even making up with a friendly game of let's hug it out. Can we get a bonobo for world peace, please? And there you have it, the smartest animals in the animal kingdom. Which one of these animal geniuses impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned something new about the amazing minds of the animal kingdom. Leave a comment telling me which one of these animals you'd want as a pet. Who wouldn't want a talking parrot or a problem-solving raven around the house?